how to send email from Apollo.io. So first, go to your Apollo account and then just click on people here at the left side. And then from there, just need for this to load. Okay, now select one of your contacts that you want to send an email to. So let's say I want to send an email to Rebecca. And then click on access email. Then click on the drop down here and then click on send email. Okay, from there, just need to type in your email. Type in anything that you want to say to Rebecca. And then you can also use AI to say anything that you want to say using AI. Just click on continue like this. Or if you want to use this body to here, just click on continue and like so. And then once you're done that, you can preview your email. It would look like this. And then once you're satisfied with that, just click on schedule here if you want to schedule email, and then just click on send now if you want to send it now. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.